In this video, you will learn how to prevent duplicate values in a column in Excel. Duplicate values can cause errors and inconsistencies in your data. So it's important to know how to prevent them. Follow this tutorial and become an Excel pro. We will be seeing two methods in this video now. First method, select the complete column A. Next, click on the Data tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Then click on Data Validation in the Data Tools group. In the Data Validation dialog box, select Custom from the yellow drop-down menu. In the Formula field, enter the formula like equals to COUNTIF, open the parenthesis, select the complete column AA, comma A1, close the parenthesis, equals to 1. Note that AA is the range of the column you want to prevent duplicates in, and A1 is the first cell in that range. Under the Error Alert tab, select Stop to prevent the user from entering a duplicate value. Then enter an error message such as duplicate values are not allowed. Now that you have set up the data validation, test it by entering a duplicate value in the selected column. You could see the error message you created and the duplicate value would not be accepted. Got it? Now let us see the second method using the VBA, which is much simpler. Go to VBA editor window. In the sheet 1, copy the VBA code which has been mentioned in the description and paste it here. Now, whenever you enter any duplicate value henceforth, it will show us the alert like this. Cool, right? So now you know how to prevent duplicate values in a column in Excel. This will help you keep your data clean and accurate and prevent errors and inconsistencies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.